Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Myself is Sham Hamid and I welcome you all for another exciting video. In today's lecture, I will be discussing about output devices of a computer. Output device is any hardware component that display information or output to a user after processing any input. So these are the devices that display information or output to a user after processing any input. So we have few examples of output devices that are monitor, printer, plotter, audio output and multimedia projector. First one we have is a monitor. Monitor is also known as visual display unit that displays video, images, graphics and textual information to a user. It forms images from tiny dots called pixel, and the information on the monitor is also called soft copy because it exists electronically and displays only for the temporary period. The sharpness of the image depends on the number of pixels. The quality of the monitor depends on its resolution, dot pitch and refresh rate. Dot pitch range of the monitor is from 0.22 mm to 0.39 mm, and the resolution of the monitor describes sharpness and clearness of an image and is often expressed in dpi, that is dots per inch. It is important to note that the higher is the resolution, more is the resolution, the better is the image quality. Modern monitors can display 1024 multiply 768 pixels resolution. You can see on your right, this is a picture of a monitor. Next one we have is a printer. Printer is an output device that produces text, graphics on a physical medium such as paper, and the printed information is called hard copy. The printing speed is measured in pages per minute and it's also called ppm. For example, if the printer is printing 100 images per minute, so you can say that the speed of a printer is 100 ppm. And the printer's resolution is expressed in dpi, that is dots per inch, and the printers can be grouped into impact and not impact printers. You can see on your right the image of the printer. Next one we have is a plotter. Plotter is a complex printer used to produce high quality large drawings up to 60 inches. And the types we have is pen plotter and electrostatic plotter. Pen plotter is used to produce vector graphic drawing. Electrostatic plotters use an image electrostatic way of printing, produces raster image by charging paper with a high voltage, and the quality of electrostatic plotter is comparatively low as compared to the pen plotter. Next one we have is audio output device. A device that produces music, speed or any sound is called audio output device. These devices are ideal for visual impaired people, and we have few examples like speakers and handsets. Next one we have is a multimedia projector. A device that takes image from the computer and projects it onto a large screen so that the people can see a clear or a better image is called multimedia projector. And the purpose of a multimedia projector is to represent PowerPoint slideshows, TVs, DVDs and video games, etc. You might have seen multimedia projectors in the expos, that is to inform, to deliver information to the concerned stakeholders, or you can see in a business meeting, that is to persuade, in a workshop, that is to train people, and in classes in university, school and colleges, that is purpose is to educate people and students. So that's all for today. If you like this video, share it. If you have any question, you can ask in the comment section, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, you can subscribe it and click on the bell icon so that you can get more videos in future. Thank you and have a good day.